We'll guide you through how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So you probably found the Instagram feature of read receipts. So this means when you go and open up a message, the person who sent it can go and see you've read it. You may not want this to be the case because if you go and read a message, somebody may then go and expect a reply. So you want to go and have this turned off. We're going to guide you through how you can do this. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. To go and get started, you come to the bottom right and go and press on your user icon or profile icon to get your account here. Press the three lines in the top left to open up settings and activity. Next, you want to go and scroll down into the section how others can interact with you, and you can find the option messages and story replies and tap there. Then in the section who can see that you're online, you need to press show read receipts, and at the top here you want to go and make sure read receipts is switched off. It says others can see when you've read their messages, so that wants to be turned off, and that's it.